When joining an invite-only event, you would need to sign up to successfully log into the event. Follow these simple steps. You will receive an email invite. It contains a button to the event link. Click Register Now button. You will be directed to the virtual event site. Click Join Now. It will now load the login page. If you have already registered before using your invited email, you may go ahead and log in to your account. If it is your first time to enter the event, you would need to sign up for an account. Click Sign Up Now. It is important to use the invited email only. Type in your name, email, and password. And click Sign Up. In some cases, you are asked to fill up a registration form. Fill up the form with your complete details. Job title, description, city, country, and click Next. Review and click Next. This will now load the event site. And that is how you do the initial login.